sister.
How are you, darling?
Well,
the French
the
way.
French way.
Yes,
The French
sir.
way. My sister. What nice I've been feeling.
I like your hair move.
Thank you, my darling. They're blue. You see they're blue because of what?
Of your boys. I know. My own are pink because of my girls. I still like them.
Well,
They're so lovely.
Still okay, but I have. I'm not.
My sister, you come prepared though. You want the frying pan.
That is it.
I trusty frying pan.
That's right.
We sit and cook for that your daughter-in-law that doesn't cook.
That's not anything I've got. Can you see
Boss, it's good to go prepared. Wherever you go.
Hey, ask me where I've just come.
Where have you just
You
come
have just mentioned my. Ask me where I've.
Where have you just come?
Thank you. You know that girl.
I know that girl.
Shegun Ignacio.
Hey, he will not suffer.
Shegun Ignacio.
He will not suffer.
He will not make me cry.
He will not make you cry.
He will not make
He
me
will
cry.
not make you cry. What did he do? What did he do?
He did not do anything.
Is
he not the most excellent of sons?
He is.
Except for this girl who's going to go My sister.
Yes.
My sister.
Yes. My sister, what happened?
I went there.
Why did you go there? Who was going to cancel this thing?
What? I went there to cancel it now?
Yes.
I went there to talk some sense into his head.
Good.
What? Guess what side I sold my eyes when I
What
went
side has served your eyes?
This girl was there.
Yes.
This yeah.
What was she doing there? Is she not making study? Why wasn't she doing her PhD study?
The first thing was this smell.
What smell?
The first thing I could perceive was this burning smell.
What was that burning? What was that burning?
I went in there and saw this girl. She was standing over what she thought was a pot of jollof rice. So ask me how this girl made jollof rice.
How does she make jollof rice? How can you burn jollof rice of all things?
How can you get jollof rice wrong?
So basic.
That's me, my
that's me.
Remembering her is a sweet dream. The girl. Okay, so she burnt that rice once and I wasn't happy about it.
But she made okra, eba,
everything
she made.
And she got rice that one time. This one, so she was standing over a pot of rice.
A pot? What do you mean using a pot?
She was using a pot for my sister. That at least she was using.
Thank goodness.
Oh, forgive me. I see what you're talking about.
That girl who cannot boil water. It will not surprise me that she tried to make jollof rice in the microwave. At least she knew to put it on the stove.
My sister, my sweet daughter was using a frying pan.
For what?
The rice was in a frying pan.
Then she put jollof rice in frying pan.
No, she put rice in frying pan.
What kind of rice?
And then she squirted a whole tube.
Of what?
Of tomato puree.
Hey, mama!
And she was stirring the thing.
Hey!
And she was calling that jollof rice. And see, we ate it.
Hey! Who's auntie? Who's auntie? These children! These small girls these days, this is mommy.
Tell them.
Don't say this is mommy.
Tell them.
Your husband wife is mommy.
That is it.
No auntie.
No auntie.
Who's auntie?
Who's auntie?
Who's auntie?
Am I your auntie?
Why look like auntie to
Am I your age mate?
Auntie.
Auntie indeed.
She's not serious.
Not serious.
And then she was even using frying pan.
She was using a frying pan, can you imagine?
To fry jollof rice.
To fry, to burn the whole place down.
But she was so there was not even water.
Water. Hey. Rice, tomato puree. That was it. And the whole thing was just the place was filled with smoke. And she was just stirring the thing, expecting it to cook.
That second he will not suffer.
He will not suffer.
He will not suffer.
You will not suffer, my son.
Hey! Oh my God.
Second boy.
My own nephew.
And then you won't believe that this boy came in.
What did he
And
do?
he actually said, what is that delicious smell?
Hey!
For the first time I almost slapped my son.
My sister never go there.
I won't go there.
But I can understand how your hand will have been itchy.
Hey.
What is that delicious smell?
Delicious smell?
The whole place is full of smoke. Can you not see this is nearly a fireplace?
That is it. He's like, mommy now, you have to encourage her.
Encourage what?
Encourage her.
What is that to encourage?
Thank you.
The dog should be beaten.
Beaten.
Is girl.
Impromptu cookery lesson, my sister.
Yes.
Impromptu. I had to go to her. My husband insisted that we have to go and eat at her friendship party. My dear husband, my sweet husband, I obey my
Your husband who said such good things.
Exactly.
You must have a good reason.
He must have a good reason. So I will have to go to her. But I thought I would go prepared.
Of course.
This, my daughter.
Yes.
This one, oh, this is called fried time.
Frying pan.
Do you see what this is for? This is for akara.
Yes.
This is for omelette.
Things you fry.
This is for dodo.
That's why it's called frying pan.
That is right. And
Not
that's something that is
boiling
fried.
pan.
That is it.
Frying pan.
And this one, oh, do you know what this one is? This one is a pot.
Pot.
A pot.
Pot.
This is what you use for rice.
Not plant pot. Cooking pot.
That is it.
Before she now comes and says she wanted to plant some
Can you imagine?
herb garden. All these English girls.
Modern and then modern.
I don't know what's wrong with dry spice.
I don't know myself.
And this is leaf.
This is the list.
Put it on it to make it boil.
Tell them.
To make it boil. And this is what you use to fry. Right?
I think I'm still coming.
My sister, be careful. These children, careful. These children will not make you suffer.
They will not.
They will not make you cry.
They will not make me
That's
cry.
seven nations.
Second next to the third. My second born.
Hey, he will not make you
He will
suffer.
not make me cry. He will not make me cry.
Ah.
I declare.
He will not make you cry.
It's not my portion.
What is this? You're
No,
teaching a girl like she didn't make me a PhD.
Dirty. Oil and gas. They teach about oil and gas.
Oh, they don't
the
teach
simple gas that's in the cooker.
They don't teach them
about that.
They don't teach them.
The simple one that a 5-year-old could do. Do they know about
No,
that?
they don't know. They don't know how to
No,
make food
sir.
for their husband.
No.
And we all know this is so terrible.
Ridiculous.
Where's our sweet taco? Who will cook for the whole house?
Like that. For Christmas.
Who's I cook?
Turkey.
Turkey, just this one turkey. I want short up a stick.
I won't turkey.
Hey.
And you're not even the one who has to do
And
that.
I'll be having to serve her. You be serving her.
Oh, no, I'm not serving
You
anyone.
have some turkey, sweet
No.
girl. It's not a girl in the kitchen. You wanted to
No.
just stand in the kitchen.
You wouldn't.
What would she do?
Uh-huh.
What she help you burn that all your lovely house
Exactly.
now?
Exactly.
Just sit there. Just sit there. Don't touch anything.
That is it, my sister.
Exactly.
So as you can see, I'm slightly perturbed about that.
My sister, are you sure did they give you X-ray? Did they give you X-ray? Go back and get that X-ray. It's very important.
It is.
Well, hope you have a lovely Christmas.
Thank you very much.
Take care.
Goodbye.
Merry Christmas.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.